Emotional trauma. It's a heavy topic, but it's one that needs to be addressed. Maybe you've been through something tough, a breakup, the loss of a loved one, or even childhood experiences that still haunt you. It's okay to feel hurt, but it's also okay to seek healing. So let's talk about the process for healing emotional trauma. The first thing we must do is acknowledge our pain. It's not about dwelling on it, but recognizing it. Like saying, this happened and it hurt. Give ourselves that validation, recognizing that our feelings are not wrong. Next, talk about it with someone you trust. Find a friend, family member, or a therapist. Someone who will listen without judgment. Sharing our unique stories can be incredibly freeing. Then, let's move on to self-care. It's more than just bubble baths and good books, though those help too. It's about nourishing our minds, bodies, and souls. Simple things like getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising can make a world of difference. Don't forget to practice mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, or even just sitting quietly can help us reconnect with ourselves. It's about being present in the moment, feeling our emotions, and letting them pass through us. It's not about suppressing or repressing our feelings or judging them as wrong. It's about acceptance and recognition. Learn to regulate our emotions rather than control them. So, what does emotional regulation mean? It means that we manage and respond to our emotional state with adaptive and appropriate techniques. We develop strategies to adjust our unique emotional responses in healthy ways. Each emotion may require its own individual strategy. Low energy emotions are emotions that slow us down or make us tired. Depression and sadness are great examples of low energy emotions. To adjust and manage these types of emotions, it is helpful to have a good cry. Go ahead, let it out. There is no shame in this. It is also helpful to introduce activities that we enjoy, bringing some happiness into our moment. For high energy emotions, such as anger and frustration, it is helpful to introduce movement into the moment. Go for a walk or a run or dance. There is no one right way. We each have our own ways of coping with and regulating our emotions. The only wrong ways to deal with emotions are 1. To deny ourselves the right to experience our emotions, or 2. To engage in activities that cause harm to ourselves or others. Having patience with ourselves is very important. It takes time and practice to learn to effectively regulate our emotions in a healthy way. Above all else, the healing process takes time and is non-linear. There's no set timeline for overcoming trauma, and it can circle back on us even when we thought we worked through it. It's okay to have setbacks. What's important is that we keep moving forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. We must be patient and kind to ourselves when we experience setbacks, for they are normal because we are human. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists and counselors are trained to guide us through our healing journey. We don't have to do this alone. So, take a deep breath, recognize your own strength, and remember, you've made it this far, and that's something to be proud of. Healing is possible, and you, my friend, are worth it. We are worth it. Thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourself. Until next time.